Breaking news. Do you want your PowerPoint slides to look as powerful and professional as a TV news channel? With just one simple animation, your presentation will become completely news style. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the breaking news animation effect in PowerPoint, where the news headlines scroll from right to left. The best part is that you can create this animation in just 2 minutes. So, let's get started without wasting any time. Often PowerPoint slides are limited to just text and image. Text remains static and the presentation doesn't look very engaging. But when the text moves like a TV news channel, it automatically grabs an audience attention. So the question is this possible in PowerPoint? The answer is yes, absolutely. And that's what we are going to learn today. First, create a new blank slide. Right click on the slide, go to Format Background. Here, select Picture Fill and insert your breaking news script background image. This image will form the base of your news slide. Now, insert a text box and write your breaking news text in it. Remember, the text should be in a single line. Change the font, increase the text size, and set the font color. Next, place the text box outside the slide on the left side. Now comes the real magic. Select the text box and go to the Animation tab and apply the Fly in animation. Click on the Effect option and select Direction from right. Now the timing section, set duration to 15 seconds. Remember, longer the duration, slower the speed, shorter the duration, faster the speed. After that, go to the Repeat option and select Until end of slide. Now the text will keep moving until you change the slide. Next, insert the same breaking news image again. Crop only the breaking news part of the image so the text will look like it's moving behind the news strip. This is where the animation starts to look real and professional. If you find this video helpful, please like the video. And for more creative PowerPoint tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now your PowerPoint slide will look like a TV news channel. The text will scroll smoothly, the presentation will look more attractive and professional. The steps are easy, but the results are absolutely professional. Let me know in the comments which presentation you will use for this breaking news animation. Share this video with your friends and classmates who want to learn PowerPoint. In next video, I will bring you another amazing PowerPoint animation. Thank you. See you in next PowerPoint tutorial.